Hello, my beautiful souls, and welcome back to the Spiritual Bomb Sauce, Herbs, and More. So, this is a video that I thought that I'd redo. The first episode is wonderful, it's great. So, please, when you get a chance, check that one out. But I thought I'd come back and give a more in depth explanation as to why it's so important to keeping your crown on. So I extended episode one. So please look at this one and look at the other one too for a shorter version. If you do not want a longer version, but in this one, I'll really explain again why I support Keep Your Crown On. So here we go. Welcome to the first episode, extended version of Keeping Your Crown On. And my name is Julia. This series is all about keeping your spiritual energy strong, aligned, and protected in everyday life. Today, we're diving into what it really means to keep your crown on and why it's so important for your spiritual journey. Your spiritual crown is your divine connection, your inner knowing, your power source. It's what links you to higher wisdom, universal energy, and your ancestors. But in a world full of distractions, negativity, and energy drains, it's easy to let your crown slip. Have you ever felt overwhelmed, like you're out of touch with yourself? Maybe you've been second guessing your intuition or feeling spiritually tired. That's a sign that your crown may be slipping. But don't worry, we're going to break it down for you today. I'll help you recognize when your spiritual energy is strong, when it needs some care, and what simple yet powerful steps you can take to keep your crown on every day. Let's get into it. So I want you guys to think of your crown as a spiritual antenna. It's constantly receiving energy, wisdom, and guidance. When your crown is strong, you feel deeply connected to yourself and your purpose. You move through life with clarity, knowing that you are divinely guided. But when it's weak or blocked, you might feel lost, confused, or even disconnected from the things that once brought you joy. Your crown is also about spiritual authority. When it's in place, you are standing in your power. You're aligned with your highest self, and you're able to manifest with ease. But if it's tilted, you might find yourself making decisions out of fear, doubting your worth, or feeling weighed down by outside influences. So let's talk about signs your spiritual crown is secure. You feel clear, grounded, and spiritually aligned. Your intuition is strong, and you trust your inner wisdom. You move through life with confidence, knowing you are divinely guided. Excuse me. You make decisions with ease because you trust the path you're on. You feel protected, even in difficult situations, because you know your energy is covered. These are signs your crown is slipping. You feel disconnected, doubtful, or lost. You're easily drained by people and situations. You struggle to focus or make decisions with clarity. You experience frequent headaches or pressure at the top of your head. You feel spiritually fatigued as if something's off, but you can't quite place it. How to start strengthening your crown today. With daily affirmations. Words are powerful. Start your day with affirmations like, I am divinely protected and aligned. My crown is strong and my energy is sacred. I receive guidance with ease and clarity. Say it with your all self. Just put all yourself in that when you say these affirmations. You can also do meditation and breath work. A few minutes of stillness each day helps remove energetic blockages. Try visualizing a bright or violet light at the top of your head, filling you with wisdom and peace. You can also work with spiritual tools like white candles Amethyst, and even frankincense are great for strengthening your crown. Smudging with sage or Palo Santo can clear away energy that might be interfering with your alignment. Ancestral connections. They're talking to you all the time. Your ancestors are always guiding you. Take time to sit in silence, light a candle for them, and ask for clarity and wisdom. Now take a moment and check in with yourself. How does your crown feel today? Do you feel stronger and aligned, or is there some heaviness there? Acknowledging where you are is the first step in strengthening your energy. Now let's seal this teaching with a simple but powerful ritual to strengthen your crown. Find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let go of any tension. Feel your shoulders slump. Get all that tension out of your neck, your head. This is where a lot of people hold their attention. Their shoulders and their neck. Just release, let go. Relax any body parts you're not currently using. Now imagine a radiant golden light above your head, gently settling into your crown. Feel it connecting you to divine wisdom, filling you with clarity, strength, and peace. As you breathe in, allow this golden light to expand, wrapping around your head like a protective halo. As you exhale, release any doubt, confusion, or fear. So let's do that. I like to do a little neck stretching when I'm doing my breath work, releasing some of that tension, helping with some of that tension that I carry, because I still also carry my tension in my neck and in my shoulders even worse. So do your little neck stretch. But still, concentrate. When you're ready, repeat after me. I am divinely protected. My energy is clear. My wisdom is strong. My crown is on. And I walk in divine alignment. Now feel that energy settle within you. And when you're ready, open your eyes feeling refreshed and empowered. Congratulations, guys. I'm so proud of you. So thank you for tuning into this first episode of the extended version of Keeping Your Crown On. If this message resonate with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an episode. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out the links below for more ways to strengthen your spiritual alignment. We're in this together, and remember, no matter what comes your way, keep your crown on.